what if I told you there is a way to earn money while you sleep? That's exactly what dividend stocks can do for you. Imagine getting paid just for owning a piece of some of the world's biggest companies. In today's video, we are breaking down the basics of dividend investing, how you can use it to grow your wealth steadily without taking crazy risks. Stick around because this could be the smartest financial move you make. Let's kick off with the basics. What exactly are dividend stocks? When you own shares in a dividend paying company, you receive regular payments from the company's profit. These are called dividends, and they can come in cash or sometimes in additional shares of stock. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson and Johnson are great examples. They generate stable profits and reward their shareholders with a portion of that cash. So instead of just watching your stock price rise or fall, you are actually collecting payments along the way. It's like having a part time job for your money that works around the clock. Now, how do these dividends actually get into your account? Here is a quick breakdown. Dividends are usually paid on a quarterly basis. Companies announce a record date, and if you own shares by that date, you are eligible to receive the payout. The money either lands in your account as cash or if you choose, it can be reinvested to buy more shares. For example, if a company pays a dividend of $3 per share and you own 50 shares, you will pocket $150 just like that. This is one of the simplest way to earn passive income from your investments. Why bother with dividend stocks when there are other ways to invest? Let me break it down for you. Steady income. Whether the stock market is up or down, you're still getting those regular payments. It's reliable income, especially during uncertain times. Compound growth. Reinvesting your dividends can supercharge your investment over time. When you reinvest, your earnings start earning more on their own. Then there is stability. Companies that pays dividend tend to be more stable and established. So you are not dealing with the same wild swings as high growth stocks. It's a strategy for slow and steady wealth building. And the last one is inflation hedge. Dividends can help keep up with inflation, especially if the company increases its payout over time. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. So, how do you pick the right ones? First of all, check dividend yield. This is the percentage of the stock price paid out annually as dividends. A good range is between 2% to 5%, but watch out for yields that seem too high. There might be hidden risks. Next, check their dividend growth. Look for companies that have a track record of increasing their dividends over time. This shows stability and a commitment to rewarding investors. Then look at their payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings a company uses to pay in dividends. A ratio under 60% is generally considered safe. Last one is checking their financial health. Stick to companies with strong cash flow and solid fundamentals. They're, they are more likely to keep paying out dividends even during tough times. The real power of dividend investing comes when you reinvest your dividends. Instead of taking cash, you use those payments to buy more shares. Over time, this leads to compounding, earning dividends on your dividends. For example, a company like Johnson and Johnson may have a modest dividend, but reinvesting over decades can turn small regular payouts into massive wealth. By letting your dividends accumulate and buy more shares, you're growing your investment without having to invest more of your own money. Dividend stocks can be an incredible way to create a steady income stream while also growing your wealth over the long term. Whether you're looking for a reliable retirement strategy or just a way to make your money work for you, dividend stocks could be your answer. Are you investing in dividend stocks? What's your favorite dividend paying company? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to grow your wealth. See you in the next one.